One thing that I love about releasing my content, that I do it organically and I do it unorthodox and I do it as I want to do it and how I want to release it and how I want to speak on it and what's on my mind. Like, it's not scripted. You know what I mean? I don't sit down every day, man, what am I going to say today? I don't do that. As things hit me or topics hit my mind, I just speak on them, man, and keep going. You know what I mean? Sometimes topics might be a couple minutes, couple seconds. Sometimes it might be 20 minutes. You know what I'm saying? 30 minutes. But I just try to just speak what's ever on my mind. That way, you know, whatever the person's going through that's following me, man, you'll know it's organic. Like, I'm not doing no videos, cutting nothing out, beeping this in, pasting that out. Man, it is what it is. Life is real. So I'm gonna be real with you about life. You know what I mean? My goal ain't to boast or be some type of hero. You know what I mean? I consider myself just being a good family member. You know what I mean? Living by example. You know, helping as I can. You know what I mean? And one day I feel like, you know, we'll come together, you know, as a family and do something. You know what I mean? Do something big, make some money together, start a community together, start a network, a team, some stores, whatever. I mean, I think that's how it's gonna have to be, man, for us to actually be free and independent in America. HogOn.